Hey beauty lovers, get ready to level up your nail game because we have dropped a new autumn and winter collection. We dropped 5 new shades, each linked to the hottest and coolest new trends of the season. So stay tuned, you're gonna want them all. First up, we have Berrylicious. This is a rich burgundy color, and this color has been seen all over TikTok, all over Instagram and runways. Brands like Gucci, Prada, Bottega are obsessed. So this is a must-have, classy shade this season that will make your nails pop. Next, we have Dark Denim. This color captures the cool vibes of the patchwork trend. Think Chloe, think Diesel, super fun, super playful, and edgy. This color is giving all the 90s vibes we love, so make sure to keep an eye on the horseshoe trend jeans that are super cool, baggy, but yet super stylish. Also back is the Britney iconic jeans on jeans trend. Brands like Isabel Marant and Chanel are loving this trend. But even more accessible brands like Zara and Massimo Dutti have been selling out super fast on these sets. So make sure you add denim on denim to your closet, but also on your nails. Next up, we have Falling For You. This shade you will definitely fall in love with as it is a burnt orange color that is chic and vibrant. It is super flattering and stunning on your nails, so another must-have of the season. Calling all it girls, Serene Green is your new go-to. Call it sage, call it pistachio, whatever you want, but make sure to call this shade gorgeous. This earthy shade is perfect for that clean girl aesthetic and will have you feeling fresh and fabulous in no time. And finally, let's meet Espresso Martini. The 90s are back, and this chocolate dark brown shade is here to stay. This brown is a new black and is seen all over the place, on bags, on boots, you name it, and now luckily on your nails. Celebs like Sofia Richie, Hailey Bieber have been loving this color, and hopefully you will too.